Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect WhatsApp Web on Chrome. Alright, let's begin. So WhatsApp Web is obviously an extension of WhatsApp that you can use on your computer instead of using WhatsApp on your phone. To use it, you can use any web browser, it doesn't matter. But for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Then we need to go to the URL box and type in web.whatsapp.com. You can see it's already come up for me here. Just type in web.whatsapp.com and it will take you to this page here. Now once you're here, what you need to do is open up your phone. You need to go to WhatsApp, and inside WhatsApp, you need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then click on Link Devices. Now again click on Link Devices. What that's going to do is bring up a barcode scanner, and we can then scan this barcode to log into WhatsApp Web. Now we're logged into our account on WhatsApp, and it's going to be the same account. You're going to see exactly the same as what you would do on your phone. Here, you can use WhatsApp Web like you normally would on your phone. You can click on chats, you can type, you can send messages, you can view media, send links, paste media, paste images, videos, things like that. You can also record voice notes, send emojis, and block people as well. The only thing that you pretty much can't do on WhatsApp Web is video call and audio call. You're going to have to do that on your phone. But what will happen is you'll get a message come through on WhatsApp Web, and you'll just be able to take the call on your phone instead. You can also turn on something that's called desktop notifications, and it's going to give you a notification like it's going to come up down here showing you when you've got a message from WhatsApp. If you've just got the web application open though, you are going to hear a notification anyway. It's just going to be a normal notification sound so you know when you've got a message. And you don't need notifications down here unless you want to enable them. And that's pretty much all you have to do to use WhatsApp Web. You can go through all your chats, you can message people, it's really handy. So that's basically how you can connect WhatsApp Web on Chrome. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.